Hello and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, I'm Jess, the interior designer and 3D artist of Redone. In today's video, we are doing a renter-friendly bedroom makeover. This bedroom is actually for a friend of mine, so I'm excited but also really nervous because I hope she likes it. The type of style that she likes is a mix between Scandi and vintage, and I hope I got it right. But overall, she just wanted this room to feel a bit more inviting and cozy and warm, but still keeping with that neutral look. This room is the perfect example of just a plain white room that lacks a lot of character. Just plain white walls and plain charcoal carpets. Part of the brief was to try keep as much of the furniture as possible. We kept the bed because that is a big ticket item to have to replace, but also it's actually a really great neutral piece that can work with anything. Side tables are a bit plain Jane, so we can definitely replace those with something a bit more interesting. The chest of drawers again is a great neutral piece that we can zhuzh up with a bit of decor to bring it to life. So to add some warmth and color, I chose these beautiful timber bedside tables that have brass legs, which has got a bit of a mid-century vibe, which I feel really complements the Scandi look. The bedside table lamps are really textural, simple and neutral, and quite a statement piece. I had a bare wall that needed to be dressed, so I was like, hey, a leaning mirror could be quite cool because that would help like cover some of the walls. And I mean, it's always a good idea to have a full-length mirror, you know, to check yourself before you leave. A good way to brighten a room that has dark floors that you don't love is to just cover it with a rug. And that is why I added a rug. They really wanted to include this vintage style artwork, which I think is really lovely. So that is what I did because I know how to follow a brief. I really wanted to keep with neutral colored bedding, something to help complement the charcoal headboard but with colors that are a bit warmer toned. So I chose shades of mushroom colors ranging from like a shiitake mushroom all the way to your good old cup mushroom. We added the stunning table lamp on the chest of drawers that has this amazing green marble base and brass detailing, which is giving me some serious vintage feels, and tied it together with a vintage stool which sits next to the chest of drawers, which will all be revealed to you in the after. Oh, and I also added curtains because we needed texture and warmth and coziness to the space. If you made it this far into the video, comment below with I made it, so I know that the content is still relevant and it's interesting and it's entertaining to watch and you know, all that good stuff. Anyways, here is the after.